Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this short video I'm gonna show you how to replace the gear lever knob, the gear gaiter, on this Volkswagen T5 transporter. It's a pretty easy job. First we are removing the cap of the knob. It's held by this plastic stuff, and here we have a 30mm cloth. It's actually not that tight. Now we can remove this part, and also we're gonna take off this part. These are held as well by some kinda clips. You have to put something under it. I use this plastic so I don't damage the dashboard, I hope. That's it, and we just take it off. As you can see, it looks pretty ugly and used. It was held by these plastic teeth. So here is our new one. We are putting it the way we took the other one off, with the higher part on the back, just like that. Now we can push these guys back. Stay nice all around. Here is our new gear knob. We're gonna take off this part. They gave us a new bolt. This stays here tighter than the old one.
Much later.
Okay, so we're gonna have to glue that back, and it's out. I have no idea why they put glue here. Like, you have to take this off so you can put it on the knob. Anyway, we're gonna glue back that part here, and yeah, let's put this on. So we drilled a little bigger hole because the bolt couldn't go through, and we are good to go. Let's hope.
"20 minutes later."
So here we are, 20 minutes later. I had to make a whole new bolt for this. I cut a longer one and one that it fitted here, because the OM one and the one they gave with this knob wasn't long enough. So yeah, it needed like half centimeter more. So you already know that I messed it up and I broke the indicator of this because it was glued there. So the thing we are doing now, we are putting this back, and we're gonna glue this here on the right position. So yeah, let's take it off, put some glue on it. There we go. So here we are, it's on. It took us more time than we thought, but it's looking good, it's new. Let's hope it's gonna last a few years.